All right, my friends, we're done here. We need to compress this. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it with a special tool and without a special tool. So you know what, guys, we're gonna compress this caliper. So to compress this caliper, you could use your pry bar just like that. Okay, let's bring the camera a bit closer and bring our light facing down a bit. We can use this guy, or we can use a $500 toolkit. Okay, we can either do it with this or with the toolkit, but which one will it be better? Which one will be cheaper? Okay, so you know what we're gonna do here is we're gonna try it with this little guy. Okay, so what you want to do here is you want to push in and turn at the same time, and if you can have a friend help you, that'd be perfect. You don't want to yank on the line, so you do want to take your time a bit. So the first part is gonna be hard because in the beginning it might not want to turn. If it doesn't turn it completely at all, that means your caliper is seized up. Okay, you see that? You could just keep doing that. You have to also try to push up against it. If you could get it to turn from right here, that'd be perfect. And I'm gonna get this guy halfway, then we're gonna do the tool. So maybe a little bit more turn, and then the tool will come in handy. There you go. So let's leave that there. So what we're gonna do next is we need to get one of the adapters for this guy that will fit right there, just like that, and your tool. So which is gonna be, which one would you decide to use, pry bar or the special tool? Okay, this is almost like $500 bucks, $490 kit from Snap-on. So this tool goes there, and all you do now is it makes your life easy, because all it's doing is turning and pushing at the same time. Bada bing, bada boom. That's how simple that is. The hard part was done by the pry bar because the beginning is kind of hard. So once you're done, make sure this thing is nice and straight, okay? Meaning in this angle, so the brake pad has a little notch that slips in here. So anyway, that's done, guys. That's how you're gonna compress this caliper, using a tool or a pry bar, special tool or a pry bar. Anyways, that's what it is.